Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Zara haul. This one's a little bit different though. This is an all white Zara haul. I thought I love the color white and I kind of want to go to an all white event, so why not buy some white stuff from Zara and let you guys see. Let's choose together what you think is the outfit for this event. I also am wearing a white playsuit. I know it's got like black polka dots, but it's basically white. So if you like it, I will leave a link in the description bar, and it'll just be what I am wearing. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment and tell me which item you like the most or which one you just did not like. I hope you enjoyed the Zara video, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so the first item that I got from Zara was a white bossy blazer and matching trousers. Oh my god, I just had to catch myself there. The only issue with these suits is that they always expose me, even though they're a size extra small. I need to get me some tassel, and then as well I could probably get like a safety pin just to tie up a bit higher. That should also help not expose as much. The suit is gorgeous. It fits like a glove on me, except from that part, because the sleeve length is great. And then we do have pockets on the side, but we have to go into the lining for that. Like that, we have this kind of satin contrast. It's still white, if you can see, but it's just like a contrast, which is really nice. And then the trousers, I have to say, they fit amazingly on me. Zara extra small seems to fit me really well. Really give me some nice curves. And then really great feel around the waist. Again, that waist detail is satin. Then you've got the covered up zipper. And then that pocket detail at the back. As a whole look, this is fabulous. Really like this. The length of the trousers are perfect as well for me. They fit me. This fits me amazingly. I love this. Oh, we got padding as well on the shoulders, but not too heavy. Yeah, a very bossy outfit. A very scary outfit. You do not want to stain this. I love this lace white top. It's really regal with this kind of detail here at the top of the neck. Isn't that so beautiful? So you've got the buttons and tap effect. Really cute little top. Love the lace detail. It's a bit on the like oversized side, and then you've got that detail around the wrist as well, where you've got elastic and then that just excess layer of material. Really pretty. Really nice and delicate. I've paired it up with this white skirt from Zara. Don't know if I would wear this as an outfit. Not 100% sure. If I was going to like an all-white event, potentially, like a casual one. But I'm not sure if I'm feeling the skirt. But the skirt is still cute. Cute little denim skirt. Got like little tassels at the bottom. Then you got some buttons. And then we have pockets at the back and pockets in the front. So you definitely can't complain. It's not a bad little look though. I quite like it. Very impressed with Zara. Love you, Zara. So the skirt was $19.99 and the top. Can I find the tag for the top? It's probably at the top here. Let me see if I can find it. Just spare me a minute. The top was $25.99 and it comes with an additional button as well. I also got this white glossy top from Zara. I'm sorry my hair and everything is different. I filmed this on a different day because it arrived separately. But it's such a nice top. Oh my gosh. It is a good material. Like, it's thick. I'm not wearing a bra underneath this, but you can't see anything at all. And it is lined. Like, can you see? It's been underlined by a thick material. So it's got this elastic at the ends, which is quite nice. Very professional. I like the collar as well. But it's a very professional top. Great for the office. It looks great with this little black mini skirt. I'll put a link to that as well. but a really, really, really nice top. And then I will show you the back of this white top as well. Sorry I didn't do the top one, just a bit lazy. But yeah, really, really gorgeous top. Now, where are the statistics on this? Where is the label gone? Oh my gosh. I can't find the label. Ooh. Oh, there it is. Okay, this top was an extra small and it's $39.99. That is really pricey, but I have to say the top is actually worth it. If you think about white shirts, you wear them a lot, and this top can be worn with so many different types of skirts, trousers, and you can use it a lot in the workplace and also just, you know, everyday fashion. And it is good quality material. It has been double lined, like it is great. So on this purchase, I would say it is worth the price. And here is that piece that I was so excited to try on. Just this super beautiful and long white dress from Zara. It honestly feels like a wedding dress. If you want to be really savvy, like I would wear this, or like be like a bridesmaid dress. If maybe it's in a different color, like it's really, really beautiful. Honestly, if you want to save some coin, why not? Like this is gorgeous. The right accessories, you know, a nice little veil, a wedding dress. I do love the chest. Again, we've got that kind of like loose material that just, you know, it gives that little sense of sexy without actually showing anything. It's a nice little tease. We've got spaghetti straps and they are adjustable. Material is great, really nice soft satin. I got this in an extra small, and I also forgot to say I also got the suit in an extra small as well. So here is the length of it. As you can see, it just touches the floor for me. If I stand on my tippy toes, it's still just slightly touching the floor, but it's not that bad. I am, for reference, 5'3". I love this dress. Isn't it just so, so gorgeous? Let me show you a way that you could style it though. So I have this big oversized chunky cardigan, and you could literally just do it like this. It comes in different colors. I just picked the pink because I am a pink girl, because I'm a girly girl. But how cute is that? Really, really gorgeous. I did buy another white dress from Zara, but it was impossible for me to get this dress on, and I'm so annoyed because I caused myself pain. Like literally, I feel like I was almost about to dislocate myself, and I got makeup stains all over it, so I'm even more annoyed. It's got this cross detail at the back, and it was just a struggle to get in. Like they have a zip, but the zip is not long enough. I don't know, but are people successful in getting into this dress? I'm just so angry. I'm not even wearing foundation today. I know I have discoloration, with my face is a lot darker than my chest. I'm just wearing concealer and then just wearing concealer and then powder, like contour. So that's what's gone onto here, but it would have been such a pretty little dress. If you still want to try it out, maybe have more success than me, it is a size extra small and it's $25.99. Okay guys, that was the end of my all white Zara haul. I really hoped you enjoyed it. Definitely want to keep that lace top, so regal and royal, but I'm not sure what to keep for the event. Are we going to have the suit, or is the satin dress going to win? You help me decide that. Leave a comment in the comments bar. Also don't forget to check out some more of my videos. I do more Zara hauls, some H&M hauls, some Mango hauls, and suggest what other retailers that you think I should shop at. I've never shopped at Topshop before. I want to do a Primark haul as well, but I don't know if I'll be able to do one this month. Maybe potentially the next or third month. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you so very soon. Bye!